Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. This is the voice of Victor Joseph right here, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to download and install fonts into your PixelLab application. Alright, so without wasting our time, let's quickly head straight into that now. You're going to click and open your Chrome browser. Alright, this is the website we're going to be using, but let me close it and I'll start it over again. So you're going to open a new tab and then click on this search box and type in dafont.com, dafont.com, and then click on enter. All right, so it loads. Okay, so these are fonts that are already here that is displaying on the home page. All right, if you don't like any of them, you can just simply go over and type. In case you already know the kind of font you're looking for, you already have the name, all you have to do is just to this is the face, this is the interface rather. So all you have to do is just to come over up here and then type the font you're looking for in that search box. Let's say I'm looking for Poppins. All right, click on OK, and then these are fonts related to that. Okay, so if you're looking for any font at all, you can just come over. Maybe you have gotten the name of the font. Let's say Go Bold. I already have Go Bold, but I just want to show you. Let's say Go Bold. All right, so this is Go Bold family now. This is Go Bold family. All right, there are 28 font files inside this particular Go Bold. Look at the description here, 28 font files inside this one. So once you download it, you have downloaded the entire Go Bold family. Okay, so that is that. So which one would you love to go for? You can just search for it. I already have Go Bold, so let's go back to the home page where I'm going to get what I don't have before. So let me just come over to this fancy. Under this fancy there are categories. Okay, so let's say old school. Let's say we pick old school. Okay, so let's see which one. But I don't really like any of them. They are old school as the name implies, but let's just pick one out of them. Let's pick this. So you're going to click on download and this stuff is going to download. All right, file downloaded. Okay, so you're not going to open directly through here. All you have to do is, let's swipe this off. All you have to do now is go back to your phone and open up your file manager. All right, scroll to your file manager. This is it here. Click it, open wherever your own is located, whether it's file explorer or file manager, anyone. So what are we going to do? Just look at it here, recent document. All right, under download, look at it, recent document, download. I am a player. That is the font we just downloaded. But the other, in case your own did not display under recent documents, what you're going to do is just to click on all files, come to internal storage, then come over to downloads, and you will see it right here. Let's scroll, we'll find it. This is down here. I am a player.zip. So you're going to click it. So it's going to ask you whether you want to extract. All right, so on compress it. So you're going to click on compress. Uncompress success. All right, so you have uncompressed that, so it's going to open a folder up there in this same particular environment. So it's going to open a folder, click on that folder. Now there are two fonts here, so the font is of two family. All right, so fonts that are usable on your PixelLab are fonts that are TTF or OTF. If it's in a zipped form, you can't use it, it won't display. All right, you won't see it whenever you're trying to import the font. So now we have it, we have them here. So what are we going to do? I have a folder titled font in my file manager, so I'm going to move them now. So I just selected two of them, click on move. So come over to your file manager. If you don't have this folder, make sure you open a folder, create a folder. So click on font. All right, so there's only one font here, so I'm going to paste the remaining ones here, so for easy accessibility, for it to be easily accessible. All right, so go back. If you don't have the folder, all you have to do is just to click on these three dots at the top right of your phone. Click on that three dots and then create folder. Then you can give it a name, font, and then click on OK, and that's all. All right, so I already have the folder, so I'm not going to create a new one. So the next thing we are going to do is just to go over to your PixelLab now. Where is it? PixelLab. All right, so click your PixelLab, open, and allow it to load. All right, so now this is PixelLab. So let's change this, let's edit this particular text to, let's just say the font. Okay, the font. All right, so click on OK, All right, so this is the font right now. Let's give this color black so that, okay, yeah. So then now come over to your text tool. All right, then go over to fonts. All right, click on it and then select this second one, my fonts. Click on it. So now you're just going to, if in case it's not easily locatable, you're just going to type in, I think the font there was I am something. All right, I think that was it. All right, we've not imported it, so now we are now in PixelLab. So you're going to import, assuming it's a particular folder, is an entire folder you want to import. You're going to click on this particular one, an entire folder that contains all, like how I imported all these fonts. It was not one after the other, it was an entire folder. So you're going to click on this one. But if it's only one font or two, maybe you just want to select one or two that you just downloaded, you're going to click on this first one. All right, just for the font. All right, if it's the entire folder, the second one. So I'm going to click on this one, and then this is it, I am a player. All right, so click it and hold it down and select this one as well, and then select. So the two fonts are there. So in order to see it, in case it didn't come up, so you just go over and type it, I am, this is it right now. Okay, this one is the bold version, while this one is the italicized version. All right, so this is bold, leave it. You see that? So you just changed the font successfully. All right, so that is how to download and install fonts into your PixelLab application. I believe you got value from this particular video. If you did, kindly like this video, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also consider turning on the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I post new videos. All right, I remain my humble self, Victor Joseph. Till the next time I post new videos, do stay safe. Bye.